After trying it, it turns out the benefits are real. A cough that lasted for weeks was completely disappear using this natural remedy. Prepare 2 red onion and slice them thinly. Then pour boiling water over the slices. Once it is cooled to a warm temperature, add a pinch of salt and squeeze in some lime juice. Drink this remedy while it is still warm, 3 times a day. Its benefits include helping to loosen mucus and soothe the throat. Remember, good health begins with what you choose to pour into your glass. Please subscribe for more healthy tips and share this goodness to your beloved family.